Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I just want to show you how I was able to create this storyboard studio with free AI tools. Okay, content makes easy now. You don't need to stress yourself creating images, writing scripts, adding everything together, struggling to maintain character consistency. What you need to know now is that this platform is changing everything, which is Google is changing everything on how we create our content. I remember this consistency. Let me show you how I did it. So Google Flow have just launched a new features to their platform, and trust me, this is superb. This is the kind of features you need to make your content creation very easy. And that's what I'm about to show you now. Okay. So when you log into your Google Flow, okay, you log to this interface, click on new projects. Okay. Tap on new project, it will open to this interface. When this interface opens, on the left hand side, you will see tools. Okay, tap on tools. Here you will see different kind of app. Okay, you can use it to sketch, you can use it to do mockup. There are a lot of features that Google have launched on a Flow platform. Okay, you can explore wherever you want. You want to do editing to your content, you want to create transition, a lot of them. But what we are looking for is this. Okay, storyboard. You can create storyboard of your story. Okay, it's not a must you will actually create videos. All right, you can narrate it in such a way that when people look at the images, all right, and this is it here. Just tap on storyboard. When you tap on storyboard, it will open. Allow it to open. It will ask you, welcome to Story Studio. Choose your storyboard style. So if you want realistic images, charcoal, clear motion, sketch, is up to you, but here I'll be selecting 3D animation. All right, then you click on get started. Once you click on get started, you can see how the interface looks. Very, very easy to use. All right, I would advise you to use a laptop for this. If you're using a mobile phone, please set your mobile phone to desktop view, so you'll be able to see all this interface. Set it on desktop view. Here is asking me to type in your idea. So if you have a story idea, you can type it in here. But for quick, I have a prompt I've already written on ChatGPT. So I already have a prompt ChatGPT wrote for me. So I'll just go over to ChatGPT and just copy the prompt. Come over here and just paste it. Okay, you just need an idea. The AI agent that Google Flow just introduced is very, very intelligent and smart. It understands simple words, even if you put it in a simple form. All right, so just type in your prompt and click on generate. So when you click on generate, it will start analyzing your script. It will try its best to rewrite your script. Okay, so you can see now, one good thing with this is that it will give your story a title. So fruit heart. Okay, I want to create a humanoid fruit storyboard. That's what I want to create, and this is the prompt I gave. So I wanted a banana, strawberry, and all that. Okay, this is kind of popular faceless story content we see on social media these days, and this is how it have kind of sectioned it into different parts for me. Different part for me. Okay, this is title, these are scenes, these are dialogue. Everything is already imputed in this prompt. Then here is script, here is asset, here is storyboard. So in front of the asset is where you can build your character. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3. I have like 6 characters in this content. That's what Flow is trying to tell me. This story, I have 6 characters. This is them here. Then I have locations. So I have different locations that I can choose to create this content. And also I have different kind of maybe umbrella props, different maybe additional things to my content. However, you can notice that at the moment you can't see it. All right. What Flow wants you to do is to do auto-filling characters. So tap on auto-filling characters. When you tap on it, okay, when you tap on it, it will start to generate the images of your characters. Depend what your characters, who your characters are, okay? It will start generating it. You just have to give it some time to generate all the characters and the background that we need in this content. So you can see. One good thing I like about this storyboard, the character building session of this Flow Storyboard Studio, is that when it creates your character, it will like to give you 2 different views, okay? A closer look, maybe a side view of the character, so that the AI will be able to pick it, okay, and be able to maintain character consistency throughout your storyboard. Okay, you can see it's building it one after the other. building them one after the other. Okay, it's still building this one. So when it comes to location now, and I want it to, you can see it has built mango, it has built different characters that will be in the story. All right. Then environment location, I have to do autofill again for it to generate the environment. But remember, the ones you don't like, you can easily make amend. Okay, you can make amendments of this, like this Mangolina. This one, the narrator, I don't need it. So you can always also delete things you don't need. Like this one now, I just don't understand. Okay, I just have to click on the edit here. And when you click on the edit, it will give you option to change the character description. It will give you option to change each of their character description. So you can see the one I'm working on is the Mangolina girl. And I don't really like the way her clothing is okay, but I don't like her hair. Okay, her hair. So after you've made the edits, okay, after you've made the edit you want, all right, you remember you tap on the character you want to edit it. Remember, AI can make mistakes. As human being, we can still make amend. So when I do that, I'll now ask it to create image, okay? On creating the image, I want it to actually give me what I want. So if you look at all your characters and you don't like them, you can easily make amendments. Even the pineapple man, you can make amendments. All right. You can see the image is generating. And these are the locations that Google Flow has actually come up that all this, my storyboard will be inserted. All right. So look at how beautiful they all look. This is beautiful. So these props, I can also autofill it so that I will see what is available that we use to create this storyboard. So you can see the images. This one, the image is ready. The banana girl, I think that's the story. Maybe she's kind of a child form. So that's what it is. So after you've done all this, all right, after you've done all this, go ahead and proofread your prompt. Remember, this is for tutorial purposes. Go ahead and proofread your prompt. Like the strawberry girl, if you don't like the clothes she's wearing, you can change the dress. Okay, you can change the dress, but let's just leave it for now. All right, just go ahead and just make your prompt, edit your prompt, and just click create image. So these are extra things that will appear in the storyboard. So after that, you now click on storyboard. Storyboard is the third thing. Remember, your first attempt is to write your scripts. Second process is to create your assets, which is generating all your images using Google Flow autofill features. All right. Very easy to use. So after that, you now create your storyboard. Tap on the storyboard. So when you come to the storyboard, you will see that the storyboard, we have shot 1, shot 2, shot 3, shot 4, shot 5, shot 6. All right. This is extra. Okay. Extension, different. Is a lot. So let's say now, I just want to create only the playground. Okay. The first scene 1, which is my scene 1. Okay. You can see this is scene 2. I want to create scene 1. All you need to do is just to click on autofill. How amazing is that? And Google Flow Storyboard Studio will automatically go into action and start generating. I don't have to do anything to it. This is beautiful. Don't forget, if you are enjoying this tutorial, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing tutorials like this. If you're one of those that struggle to maintain consistency, you struggle to create content, you can start using storyboard illustration for your story. All right. It's very easy to create using the Google Flow features that we have now. Very, very easy. You don't need to start generating images one. Everything is done for you at one pace. Okay. You can see it generating. The banana one is here. You can see it generating. So allow it to generate everything you need for your story. Okay. It might take a while for all these things to come up, but just be patient. All right. Just be patient to allow it. Remember, there's loads. Okay. I have scene 2 here. Let's say you want to be creating your content. You can only create like scene 1, scene 2, scene, just all these things. This is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Can you see that? One good thing with this is the character consistency and the storyline. Okay. You can see here, it's just the storyline. All right. This is beautiful. Consistency throughout the storyboard is what I'm giving 100%. Seriously. And mind you, you can use your free Flow credits to create this. Okay. On a daily basis. Every day Flow gives you 50 credits for you to explore. Use it to create content on their platform. So we are done with this. Okay. Let's go ahead and create scene 2. All right. The same thing you have to do. Just come here and click on autofill scene. Okay, it will start generating. Next thing you have to do, if you now have to download all the images, okay, you now have to download all the images and just right click on them and you see save image. Okay, save images, you save them to your drive. This is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. Content make easy. It's not only, I just choose Humanoid fruit story. You can choose any story, maybe folktale, cinematic, Hollywood, whatever style, okay? Love story, horror story, whatever you want to create, game, whatever you want to illustrate. And remember, you can always switch your character visual style, okay? You can always switch it. If you want a clear motion, you can also change that. All right, and this is the next. I love Strawberry now. This is so beautiful. Okay, look at the structure, and this is where he's talking to Apple. I think he's trying to explain, oh, this, he loved this girl and all that. This is so beautiful, guys. Okay, go ahead and create yours and let me know how your Storyboard studio comes out. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel for more amazing tutorials.